Welcome back to the English Commute, your trusted companion for navigating English with confidence and understanding. I'm your host, and today we're delving into a topic of immense spiritual and cultural significance for millions around the world, preparing for Ramadan.
It's a truly special time, and for many, it's a period of deep reflection, growth, and community. We want to help our listeners understand this beautiful month and learn how to talk about its preparations in English.
Absolutely. Ramadan is not just a month. It's an experience that transforms lives. Today, we'll explore practical steps for preparing your heart, mind, body, and home for this blessed time, all while expanding your English vocabulary. Understanding Ramadan, more than just fasting. Before we dive into preparations, let's ensure everyone has a clear understanding of what Ramadan entails. What is Ramadan at its core?
Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. It commemorates the first revelation of the Quran to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
So, it's a time of spiritual significance. And the most well-known aspect is fasting, correct?
Yes, during Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset. This means abstaining from food and drink during daylight hours. However, it's crucial to understand that Ramadan is far more than just physical abstinence.
What other aspects are central to Ramadan?
It's a profound period for self-control, patience, kindness, and gratitude. Fasting helps us empathize with those less fortunate and appreciate the blessings we often take for granted, like food and water.
That sense of gratitude is powerful. It reminds us to be thankful for what we have.
Exactly. It's a month to cultivate inner peace and strengthen one's connection with the divine. It's a time for spiritual renewal.
Preparing the heart, forgiveness, and connection. Now let's talk about preparation. Many might think of physical preparations first, but you emphasize starting with the heart. What does that mean?
Preparing the heart means cleansing ourselves of negative emotions like anger, jealousy, hate, and pride. Ramadan is an opportune time to mend broken relationships and seek forgiveness.
So, it's about introspection and reconciliation. Asking ourselves, is there someone I need to forgive, or is there someone I've hurt?
Precisely. It's about letting go of grudges. Imagine entering such a blessed month with a heavy heart. Ramadan encourages us to reach out to family, friends, or neighbors with whom we might have disagreements.
That's a beautiful sentiment. It transforms the spiritual journey into a social one, fostering harmony.
Indeed, a sincere apology or an act of forgiveness can open doors to immense blessings. It makes the spiritual experience of Ramadan much more profound.
Preparing the mind, cultivating discipline. Beyond the heart, preparing the mind is equally important. How do we strengthen our mental discipline for Ramadan?
A key step is to gradually reduce bad habits before Ramadan begins. If you suddenly stop everything on the first day, it can feel overwhelming and difficult to sustain.
So, things like excessive social media use, too much TV, or even unhealthy eating habits.
Exactly. If you spend 5 hours on social media daily, try reducing it to 3 hours now. Then, during Ramadan, aim for even less, perhaps dedicating that extra time to reading the Quran or spiritual reflection.
That makes sense. Small, consistent changes beforehand make the transition smoother during Ramadan.
It's about building mental resilience. When your mind is strong, you can stay calm and focused, even when you feel tired or hungry during fasting hours.
Preparing the body, health, and energy. Physical preparation is also vital, as fasting significantly alters our daily routines. What should we focus on for our bodies?
Start by eating healthier foods now. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and try to reduce sugar and fried foods. Your body needs strength and good nutrition to sustain the fast.
And hydration must be crucial, especially when you can't drink water all day.
Absolutely. Drink plenty of water daily before Ramadan. Many people forget the importance of hydration during the non-fasting hours of Ramadan, particularly after iftar, the evening meal.
So, training your body to be well-nourished and hydrated now will make fasting much easier.
Yes, and also try to adjust your sleep routine gradually. During Ramadan, you'll wake up early for suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, and often stay up later for Taraweeh prayers. Slowly shifting your sleep schedule can help your body adapt.
Setting spiritual goals, progress, not perfection. With heart, mind, and body prepared, what about setting spiritual goals for Ramadan?
This is very important. Set realistic, achievable spiritual goals. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. For example, instead of saying, I will read the entire Quran, you could say, I will read one page of Quran. You could say, I will read one page of Quran every day.
Small, consistent steps. What other types of goals could someone set?
You could aim to pray all 5 daily prayers on time or give a small amount of charity every week. The key is consistency and sincerity, not the size of the action.
So Ramadan is about personal growth, not about being flawless.
Precisely. It's a chance to improve step by step, to make positive changes that you can carry forward even after Ramadan ends. It's your chance to grow spiritually.
Preparing the home and family, a collective effort. Ramadan is also a time for family and community. How can we prepare our homes and involve our families?
Cleaning your home before Ramadan is a practical step. This frees up time during the month for worship and family activities rather than chores. Also, consider creating a small, peaceful prayer corner.
A dedicated space for prayer and reflection sounds lovely.
It truly enhances the spiritual atmosphere, and involving the family is wonderful. You could have a family meeting before Ramadan to discuss individual and collective goals.
That's a great idea. Turning off devices and asking, what do we want this Ramadan to look like?
Exactly. Children can share their goals too, like I want to help my mother or I want to say kind words. You can even make a Ramadan calendar with small daily goals for children, like acts of kindness or learning a new prayer.
That builds character and teaches the true meaning of the month.
Yes, Ramadan brings families closer and instills beautiful values in children from a young age.
Practical tips for work and school during Ramadan. Many of our listeners will be fasting while also managing work or school. Do you have any practical tips for them?
Absolutely. Firstly, try to inform your employer or teachers about your fasting. If you feel comfortable, this can help them understand if you need slight adjustments.
And managing energy levels must be a challenge.
It can be. Try to prioritize your tasks and manage your energy throughout the day. Take short breaks when needed. And remember, the first few days are often the hardest as your body adjusts.
So, patience with yourself is key.
Yes, and remember to stay hydrated during non-fasting hours and ensure your suhoor and iftar meals are balanced and nutritious to maintain energy.
Conclusion: embrace the gift of Ramadan. This has been an incredibly insightful discussion on preparing for Ramadan. We've covered preparations for the heart, mind, body, home, and family, along with practical tips.
And remember, every small step you take in preparation is a step towards a more fulfilling Ramadan. It's a gift, a chance to grow, and an opportunity for immense blessings.
Thank you so much for sharing these invaluable insights. This has been incredibly helpful for our listeners on the English Commute.
My pleasure. It's an honor to help our listeners prepare for such a significant time and enhance their English understanding along the way.
And to all our listeners, we hope this episode has equipped you with the knowledge and vocabulary to confidently prepare for and discuss Ramadan. Remember to subscribe to the English Commute for more practical English learning tips and engaging discussions.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and share it with your friends and family who are also learning English or preparing for Ramadan. Your support helps us reach more learners.
We'd also love to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us one way you plan to prepare for Ramadan or a new English word you learned today. We can't wait to read your reflections.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and may your preparations for Ramadan be blessed wherever your commute takes you.
Goodbye for now, everyone.
Bye.